Ever wanted to take your mobile gaming to the next level? Today, I'm showing you how to connect your Xbox controller to your iPhone or iPad. First up, check compatibility. Ensure you have an Xbox wireless controller with Bluetooth capability. Xbox One S, Xbox One X, or newer models. Make sure your iPhone or iPad is running iOS 13 or later. Next, enable Bluetooth on your iPhone or iPad. Go to Settings on your iPhone or iPad. Tap on Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Next, turn on your Xbox controller. Press and hold the Xbox button in the center of the controller to turn it on. The button should start flashing, indicating the controller is powered up. Now pair the controller with your iPhone or iPad. Press and hold the small sync button on the top of your Xbox controller until the Xbox button starts blinking. On your iPhone or iPad, look for Xbox Wireless Controller in the Bluetooth menu. Tap on it to pair. Finally, confirm connection. Once paired, the Xbox button on your controller will stop blinking and remain light. Open a game that supports controllers. Start playing. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.